Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, there's an update for Firefox, a new version actually. It was released yesterday, September 20th. It's still rolling out, so not everybody has seen it yet. There was someone that posted a comment that he knew that there was a new version, but it wasn't showing up. Mozilla does say that it could take several days for everyone to see the update roll through. So Firefox 105 is now in the house. And so what you do is you go into the upper right corner in Firefox. In the hamburger menu, go into Help and About Firefox. And if you're not up to date already, you'll be pushed to 105.0. Now, still get a lot of people saying that even with the bug fixes of last month or last few weeks, that they still have, in some cases, video playback issues that were supposed to be fixed. So I don't know what's happening about that. We know one thing is that 105 includes bug fixes, so maybe that could be fixed now. What's new in version 105? Really not a lot. Most of the work has been actually to process the crashes and what happens with the browser when you are tight on RAM memory. So if you're running low on memory, Firefox has a new way of dealing with low RAM and of killing external processes to try to prevent the browser from crashing itself. And they say that it should be more efficient also. Apart from that, there's touch gestures that are existing in Windows that have now been added, so you can swipe on the screen and so on to change different things and change pages and so on. So a few little things like that, but apart from that, really nothing much. Where it is really mostly important to update to Firefox 105 is the security updates. They have 8 security flaws that are fixed. 3 of them are high severity. So if you don't really care about a new version or new features, well, still update for the simple reason that it will fix the security flaws that are in the Firefox 105. So this is a new version. Like I said, very lightweight on new features, but I think probably they worked hard to try to make it work on machines that might be tighter on RAM, and if apparently it would crash a lot on machines that did not have a lot of RAM. And I know that some of the fixes in there is trying to close processes that are external to the browser to prevent the browser itself from crashing. So if you have a low RAM machine, it might actually run better. Like I said, security updates is the most of what is in here, basically. So once again, upper right corner, hamburger menu, Help, and About Firefox. And you should be at 105.0 as of today, September 21st. And like I was saying at the beginning, if you don't still see it, Mozilla does say that it could take several days for a full version to actually come across everyone. And so this is for Mac, Android, Linux, and Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.